Welcome to Butte College and welcome to my class. Hi, I'm Madeline Christopher. I teach plant science and other ag and horticulture classes. In our plant science class, our students learn all about different kinds of plants, how they grow, what kind of fruits and flowers they produce, and all the requirements for a plant to do well in the environment. So some plants that are easy for beginners are succulents. A lot of people like succulents and cacti because they're very easy to take care of. They don't require a lot of water and maintenance. And then a lot of people like having houseplants. So they have houseplants indoors. Things like a snake plant is very easy to take care of, and it's actually even hard to kill. So we have a number of students who take this class. It's required for all of our agriculture majors. So agriculture includes plant science, horticulture, natural resources, many different areas. But then this class also works for students from all different majors because it satisfies their general education requirement. So we get students who are from cosmetology or engineering or computer science or art in this class as well. Most of our students in plant science, if they're going into the agriculture fields, they may do something like growing plants in a nursery or a greenhouse, growing cut flowers. They may work for a vegetable or fruit grower and produce food for everyone. And then we also have people who go into work for chemical companies as well, or for working with natural resources like fish management and wildland management as well. So if you're ever having trouble in a science class, one of the things I like to do is make flashcards with the different terms on them. There's lots of terminology in science. And so I make flashcards with the different terms on them and help me to memorize the name and what part of the plant or animal that actually is. Science has a lot of terminology in general that can be difficult to remember, or drawing pictures can really help as well.
Hi, my name is Wyatt. I'm majoring in plant sciences right now. I'm taking this class right now to learn how to be better as a farmer so I can better take care of the plants that I'm taking care of. And I recommend you take this class so you can learn how to take care of plants on your own.
My name is Wyatt Allen. I'm majoring in agricultural science, and right now we're taking plant science class, and I recommend this for anyone who might need to learn some survival skills if they're out there, and it's interesting to know which plants do what and how they act in case you need to use them in life.